Hi, this is Andrew Welbourne with Riviera, my realtor here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Coming to you from the beautiful tropical common area of Atsi. Atsi is a complex located in Cielo. It's just about 10 minutes north of Playa del Carmen. Very, very quiet residential area, and it's about 10 minutes walk to the beach or so. And you have beach clubs and some shops and restaurants in the area as well. So we're going to be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, amazing virtual tour, roughly about 1,400 square feet total area. The condo comes semi-furnished. It's on the 3rd floor, so it's nice and bright and airy. The condo also has 2 terraces, one off the living space and one off the master. So here in Atsi you have 2 swimming pools, one with a swimming lane, covered sitting area, controlled entry, beautiful gardens as you can see behind me, and parking space. So go ahead and take a look at the tour. I'm here for any questions. We'll see you soon in Playa del Carmen. Take care.